Hello, hello, all. Hello, friends. Anyway, by the way, does somebody know ये hello friends का ट्रेंड किसने चालू किया था? No. I would like to know someday who was the genius. Anyway, so today we are going to make or document aloo posto, which is a very sought after Bengali recipe. Posto is poppy flower seeds, and in Hindi it is called khaskhas, and this dish is one of the most popular Bengali vegetarian dish. So to make an authentic aloo posto, we need some ingredients that I do not have today, but I will explain which ones I do not have, where I am improvising, etc. etc. Okay, so first of all, what is poppy seeds? They are small seeds like this. You can see it, very tiny round shaped seeds. Okay, so if you buy them from the market, you'll get a say packet of 50 grams. So you have to soak this in water, and I have soaked this in water since afternoon, so it's like 5-6 hours I have soaked it. And after that I have some green chilies that I will grind with this. I will grind all of this. So, and some, this 2 large piece of ginger, and I have some cashews, 5 to 6 cashews. Now why do we put cashews in this? Because these small seeds actually have no body at all, and it is very hard to grind them in a mixer grinder. Therefore we put something which has a little body that will allow it to grind very easily. So I will put some garlic also in this, which I have peeled and kept here. So that was like 1 small flower of garlic, whole flower of garlic. I have some green chilies here, and I have 1 onion which I will chop finely. I have here potatoes which I have cubed, for example, if you can see, perfect cube, right? Okay, and this is cooked in mustard oil. So if you have mustard oil, very good. If you do not have mustard oil, use regular refined oil, but do not use coconut oil or what do you call it, क्या बोलते हैं, olive oil. Yeah, virgin olive oil or olive oil. Don't use all of that. So first of all, we'll pour some mustard oil, and we will let the mustard oil heat nicely. Okay, so authentically what we put here is tej patta and काला जीरा. काला जीरा को कलौंजी भी बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं मुझे पता नहीं. तेज पत्ता को बे लीफ बोलते हैं. ओके, सो बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई डू नॉट हैव नीदर काला जीरा nor bay leaf, but I have safed jeera. So I will use safed jeera for this recipe. Now we will let the oil heat a little bit, because when you are cooking in mustard oil, you have to first let it heat generously, and only then you put anything in that. Okay, so I am hoping this is optimal amount of temperature. Voila. Okay, so once we have put the jeera, we will turn down the flame and we will put the potatoes in it. See, cooking is such an adventure, you know. Okay, so I will saute this here for a while, and then I will now grind these in a chutney pot and cut this onion, and then I will come back. Okay, so now as you can see, we have let the potatoes cook for a little while in sarson ka tel, mustard oil, and now what we will do is we will put the finely chopped onion on this. So usually, you know what people do is they put onion first and then they put potatoes. But even when you are cooking kanda poha or anything else, make sure that you put the potato first, so they will cook fast, and after that you can put the onions. Now we will again let this cook for a while, and we will put some salt and we will cover this. Okay, now this recipe does not have very tangy flavor. Usually this recipe is like in Maharashtra, like you have mirchi ka thecha kind of flavor. In West Bengal or in Bengali food, this is like that stark jhanjhanatedar wala taste of mirchi, hari mirchi, that will come here, and it requires very less spices, very less. Now here you can see I have ground all of the ingredients that I have showed you earlier, which was poppy seeds 50 grams, some chilies, ginger and garlic, and I added a few cashews also. Now what we will do is, after this cooks for a little while, and when we see that our potatoes are cooked fairly, then we will add this poppy seed mixture that we have made here. Now so, and for flavor what we will do is, for more mirchi wala flavor, actually the chilies that I have today are not very hot. I don't bring very hot wala chilies for myself because I can't eat very hot food. But then this green chili will at least give the smell or the flavor that is required in aloo posto. Okay, so what we will do is we will let this cook for a while after covering, and then I will show you how we put the mixture that we have made. Okay, now as you can see, our potatoes have nicely cooked. So in the camera this is looking yellow, but it is not yellow because I have not added any turmeric. This is a no turmeric recipe, white colored recipe. Now I will put the poppy seed mixture, and I will put it nicely, clean it and put it again. So for now we will mix this, okay, and we will quickly add a little bit of water, otherwise it will burn the gravy that we have just, gravy masala that we have just added, or the mixture that we have just added. We do not want it to burn. Now see, what I have done is I have pieced all the mirchi and everything, and then I have rubbed my eyes. So now my eyes are burning. But you put green chilies like this, बीच में से चीरा लगा के you put green chilies like this, and then after this when we cook it with some water, it will have that beautiful mirchi ka theja flavor or green chili flavor. Okay, so I will put the rest of the masala here, put some water on it, and then I will come back. Okay, so as you can see here, it is boiling. Our gravy is boiling. It has become considerably thick. We will let it boil because it has to cook very nicely. So at least give it a boil like this for 5 minutes, at least 5 minutes. If required, put a little more water so that the gravy remains thin, but it is entirely up to your taste. If you want to eat a dry curry or dry dish, then do not put water, let the water dry off. But if you want a gravyish kind of consistency, then put a little water. Okay, so again, if you wish to add a little sugar, it's entirely up to you. Optional, sugar is optional. But now this is ready to be served. Usually people put a spoon of ghee on top of this and also some garam masala, but right now I do not have garam masala powder, so I will skip that step. And after this, all I have to do is cook some rice and enjoy my dinner. Okay, so where have I learned this from? Original source, I can call it, is my mom. She used to make this when we were kids, and not so much when we grew after middle school. This dish was not cooked so much in our house. But yeah, and or you can say I did some improvisation also. For example, the ginger and garlic, usually authentically ginger and garlic is not put in this dish, but I added it because I wanted the flavor of ginger and garlic. I did not wanted a only poppy seed flavor. Okay, so now Bengalis are famous for eating aloo posto and taking a siesta in the afternoon. So I hope you will make this and enjoy this. This is document number 2. Dish name is aloo posto or khaskhas wale aloo. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.